Today we're going to take the mystery out of an omelet. Everybody's terrified when they hear the word. It's not that scary. Let me show you how to do it. Let me show you how to do it easily. You're going to like this. It's going to be a big breakfast. This is going to fill you up. And we're going to do it for $2.40. Check this out. We're going to start off with 1/2 slice of bacon, potato, which we'll cut down, tomato, onion, green pepper, mushroom, 2 rolls, raspberry jelly for the topping, cream cheese, 2 eggs. We've got garlic, seasoning salt, black pepper, and shredded cheese. We got a few tricks and tips to this one, so let's get going. First, we're going to peel our potato. We're not going to use the whole potato, so what we're going to do, let me show you how to preserve it to put it back there for future use. We're only going to need a little bit of potato for the omelet. That much. The rest, we're going to stick in water, and that way it'll keep. Put this in the refrigerator. You can use it later. If you don't put it in the water, it'll oxidize and start turning brown and black on you. Let's prevent that. Get a grater, shred this potato up. You want to watch your fingers. Always when doing this, obviously, it's very sharp. And I keep dropping it. Potatoes done. Now I'm going to take the shredded potato, what we have here, I'm going to run to the salad spinner and I'm going to get it dry. Bear with me. Our potatoes are all shredded, dried out there, ready to go. Let's start the oven. Start this oven on medium heat. First, we're going to put our bacon in. Let that cook down. You're not going to need a whole lot of stuff here because it's going to be an omelet for one person. As soon as the bacon cooks down, we'll add a little bit of oil and then we'll add the potatoes, get them going. We're going to cook everything off together. Omelets are very simple. Don't be afraid. You hear the word omelet and it scares people to death. It shouldn't be. This is going to be easy. This is going to be quick. This is going to be very simple. This is going to be filling. This is going to be something you can try at home. You'll love this and you'll do it. You'll make this all the time. I guarantee it. And what's nice about an omelet, since you're doing it individually, if you don't like something, leave it out. If you want to add something else, put it in there. If you want to add any kind of vegetable, any other kind of meat, I'm using bacon, but you can use sausage, you can use ground turkey, you can use chorizo, you can use anything you want to. This is your omelet. All I'm doing is giving you techniques and showing you how to do things. Do it your way, you do you, use what you have on hand. We're cooking on a budget here. All right, our bacon's getting good. Look at the little spoon I picked up the other day. Silicone, nice for stirring. Now we're going to add a little oil. And we're going to add our potatoes. And get them mixed up. It's going to be a very healthy, filling omelet. You guys are going to like it. And then we'll show you a few other tips to do the rolls and other things with it. Cooking on a budget, Should be fun, should be enjoyable. But you want the heat on medium heat, you don't want it to burn. Let the bacon get done, let the potatoes get done. Meantime, let's cut up our mushroom. Very precise. You want to control the knife. Once again, should be easy, should be natural. Onion too. Hash browns getting done. Look at that. Hash browns. Or just fried potatoes right now. It's going to be a very healthy omelet. Got 2 eggs. If you have time, bring your eggs out. Let them come to room temperature for about an hour. They'll cook better. They'll be more fluffier. They'll be easier to work with. Let's go ahead and crack our eggs. On an egg, you can tell how old the egg is by how runny the white is. These are pretty older. We bought them last week there, but they'll last a long time. But they're a little older. Mix the eggs up. There you go. Set them aside. Start adding in our other ingredients. Now this is going to be one healthy omelet. A little bit more oil. You want the hash browns when you cook them to be dry. If not, there's any water in there, they won't fry, they'll steam. You don't want that. Not a good taste. Here's the secretive part. The stuff we cooked in there, let it cool for a second. Then you want to add it to the eggs. We'll make sure everything's cooked. Don't get it too hot. If it's too hot, it'll cook the eggs. But this is cooled down. This is the part that everybody messes up during omelet. We're gonna get a little larger pan. Heat this pan up. Once again, medium heat. And by the way, I've got my habanero. The pan's hot. Add a little oil. Get that turn around in there. Make sure it's good. Now we're going to add our egg mixture. You see that? That looks good. That's a huge omelet. While this is cooking, we're going to add our jelly to our cream cheese. While it's cooking, you'll make sure it moves around there. Doesn't stick. Little cream cheese. Almost ready to turn. Y'all see that? I love doing that. Put the cream cheese and jelly out of the way. Mix this up. Get ready to prepare the rolls. Our omelet's ready. Let's add the seasoning. Add the garlic. You want to do this with your fingers if you can, that way you have more control over it. Add the seasoning salt. And then you want to add the cheese. You do not want to put the cheese in the pan when you're cooking the rest of the ingredients. The cheese will burn, cheese will stick, won't be good. All right, put this in here. Cheese is in. Let's turn this thing out. Take it to the side and just flip it over. There it is. Nice omelet. Now we're going to clean the pan out and then we'll do the rolls. Good wipe. The rolls we're going to cut them into 3 portions. 2 rolls, but it'll be like a lot more. It's going to be a lot of food. I don't know if I'll be able to eat all this. I will try though. You could put a little butter or spray oil in there, but we'll just let the rolls heat up there and do it that way. Okay, let's flip our little rolls there. Got a good brown on there. Get this mixed up a little bit. Wait till you see this. It's going to be very good. All right. Our rolls are done. Put them in. And let's put the spread on there. Just the right amount. I'm not going to be able to eat all this. It's going to be too filling for me. All right, let's cut the tomatoes. Sharp knife, cut them from the side. 1, 2 slices. There. Tomatoes on. Add some seasoning. Add some garlic salt. Granulated garlic, sorry. And now the piece de resistance. The habanero. I really love these things. If you try habaneros, let me know what you think about them. We'll arrange these up on the omelet. And that's it. What do you think? This is a breakfast for $2.40. I guarantee that would cost you 16 bucks in any restaurant. Most omelets in restaurants are 3-egg omelets. This is a 2-egg omelet, but once again, it'd cost you 20 more cents to add the 3rd egg. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you try this. And we'll come back in a second and we'll try the omelet. Let you know how it is. Stay tuned. To wrap this thing up, here's our omelet. We have a raspberry and cream cheese topping on our rolls. We have sliced tomatoes with seasoning salt and granulated garlic. And we have our omelet with habanero peppers. Let's try this thing. It smells delicious. Ooh, that's a big bite. Oh my gosh. That was way too big a bite. We won't make you watch that. We'll cut some out. Anyway, the rolls are delicious. Try one of those.
Sweet, creamy, and a tomato. To cut that one up. That one's big. You can put a little olive oil in here. You can put a little salt. You can put a little dill on here, parsley. Any way you want to. This is your breakfast. You fix it how you want to. Very good. Final meal. So like we always say, if you know anybody who's struggling, share this video with them. Share this video series. We're trying to put together a community of people who can eat better, who can live comfortably, you can shop on a budget. Real food, spend less, that's what we're all about. So, if you try this, let me know, and let me know where you're viewing from also. We've had people from all over the world come by and make comments. Let us know where you're at. And we'll see you next time on Real Food, Spend Less. Bye. I'm going to eat. I'm starving, and this is delicious. See you later. See you next time.